Good morning. Ew, oh my god. No, I just want to come here and say, oh, I have a package. I hate my room. I hate it. I think it's time to transform it because I'm sick of it. I hate my room. I hate it. I literally hate my room. I hate my room. Hey guys, it's Glory. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my major room transformation since May. And this is only part one. I'm thinking about uploading a part two very soon, like decorating my room, a couple more furniture pieces that I need. I completely changed my bathroom as well. We weren't the ones who painted it. We had some painted it, but I'm going to give you guys the start to finish process of the first part of transforming my room. So this was my room before, It's like really disgusting. I like absolutely hated it. It's fine. But this clip I'm showing you guys right now, I took from a YouTube video I still have posted from 2016, and not much has changed in my room since then. Like when I say nothing, I literally mean nothing, because fast forward like 4 years later, this is a video of my room now, and see, it's the same thing. Like look how boring that is. Even worse, this was my room August of 2019, so this is before I wanted to remodel my room. So every day, this is how my room would typically look like on a daily basis. And I finally decided to remodel my room. I started organizing everything. So these clips were taken around April, May. Everything was obviously just a mess. Like I had to throw out a lot of things for my new room, a lot of unnecessary items, a lot of things I don't really need anymore. I had to throw a bunch of things out, even like stuffed animals, and I like cherish those things. I was just tired of the yellow furniture too. Like I just thought it looked like a dirty furniture color. I just didn't like it when I took like photos and stuff. It just looked like musty. Like so I was tired of it. So I put myself to work and I was like, we're changing this. I'm done with this room.
Baby, we could talk about it and talk until we're dead. I love you to your heart and back. I love you to the top of your head. Maybe we don't say anything and sit in silence instead. Your eyes that house 1,000 suns, your mouth that holds 1,000 guns. You pick me up and dust me off and tell me I'm better off never be early again.
So this is little me back in May when Outer Banks was a trend, organizing all my jewelry and all the jewelry over here, which actually my mom accidentally threw out. Yeah, like she threw them out. Okay, I am a little pissed, but like I had like all those things outside of my hallway since like last month because I don't really have a place to put them in my new room right now. I found out last month she threw out all the stuff I had outside of that hallway. Trash already came, so basically all that jewelry is just gone. A lot of the stuff I was gonna give away. The jewelry was the only thing I was keeping, and of course it's all gone. I was really sad about it for like 2 weeks, so it's fine. It's fine. I still have a bunch of my other necklaces here, so it's not a big deal. It's currently August 27th, it's 9:30, and all my clips are all over the place only because I haven't gotten a chance to edit. But good news today is apparently my room is going to be done by the end of this week. And I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm so happy. They painted the walls, they finished painting the furniture, and look how cute this is. It is literally the same furniture I had, but painted white. Makes a huge difference, and I'm literally so scared to like touch it. Like maybe it's not dry. I'm just so happy. I am so happy. The smell of fresh paint excites me. Put you guys right here. We have this little guy right up here. He's just chilling. It's kind of cute. It adds a nice touch of detail, especially with all the decorations. I want to have a sun, moon, like kind of theme, because you guys know I love the sun, I love the moon, I love space. But I will show you guys so far how my bathroom's going. The bathroom's definitely nowhere near done. As much as it may look like it, it's really not. First things first, I really don't have to make YouTube videos with my toilet literally right next to me. They finally put it back into play, so maybe I can like give it a flush, you know. Actually, maybe not yet. We gotta get a sink. We haven't done that yet. The bathroom's white, the walls are white as well, but it's like a nice white tile. Really shiny, honestly. It looks really nice. This like blue marble kind of design. And then we added this shelf that I used to have 4 corners, small little corners in my bathroom, which I could barely hold like a shampoo bottle there. But we took the bathtub out, sadly. I don't even know how I'm gonna use my lush bath bomb. Still have my my little cuties over here. I gotta take these guys off. Yeah, this is how the room's looking so far. I would show you guys more, but all of my things are literally just scattered throughout my house. My mom went to Home Goods and she found these super cute curtains for me. They're basically just like gray, goes along with my room. They're little flowers. Cute. Home Goods always comes in clutch. TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They are so underrated. They're actually getting more clout now, but then this is the chair I have for my room. It's so comfy, guys. Oh, and my mirror is right over there. It's my vanity mirror. It's so comfy. I just gotta make sure I don't get a makeup stain on it because then I'll be in trouble. Or I'll give you guys an update for tomorrow and then we'll be seeing the final look. But I think it's time to move in everything now, so let's go.
Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Hey. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. See if you really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing cause it doesn't matter cause I'm gonna let it.
Hey, so this is gonna be the current reveal of my room and how it's looking like right now. So let's get started with my bathroom. So this is my bathroom, and as you guys can see, I don't have a mirror. We are still in the process of finding a mirror, but I did get these lights a couple weeks ago. They have like jewels on the inside. This is just the whole sink area of it. I like it because it has like this marble pattern going onto it. All this like little slight detailing I love. I wish that these cabinets were a little bit bigger. I do have to organize them, as you guys can see, but they are really small, so I can't really fit anything in these cabinets. But I can't fit like big bottles like Windexes and stuff, which I have over there on the edge of my toilet. I also have to change my curtains because I had these for a while. And then I have this little section. This is just a hoodie I wore earlier today, and this is just a little section for like my bath stuff and everything next to my radio, so when I listen to music when I shower. And then this is my shower right here. Old shower. I don't know if I have any pictures of my shower before. My shower only had one shower head that was detachable over here, but this shower now it has 3, so you can, it's kind of complicated to like handle. So this knob here controls which one you're showering in. You can't do all 3 of them at the same time, which I thought you could, but you can't. That'll be a big waste of water. And then on the bottom here is just where you control the water. I was thinking of putting like LED lights maybe in my bathroom because I don't know if I want them in my room. I'm kind of scared with like the bugs and the paint. And then my bathroom, just my toilet, my trash, all my Windexes and everything that I was telling you about. Some kooky pens that we're gonna remove soon. That's really it to my bathroom. I need to add a lot more pizzazz to it, but so far I'm satisfied, I'm happy, I'm grateful I have a bathroom. So when you leave, that's the door to my bathroom. And then I put this mirror. I've been dying to have a full-length mirror, so I finally found one. I think I got this one from Marshalls. This piece of furniture was actually all the way up to here, but I moved it down and I rearranged everything so I can have more room for my outfits when I look in the mirror. I kind of like this mirror right here. It's perfect. The lighting hits right here. These curtains block the lighting though, so as you guys can see, I moved the curtain to have the lighting come this way. And then I have this bucket here that I'm also going to change. It's just full of stuffed animals. I actually gave a lot of them away. I had 4 baskets full of stuffed animals, and I had some under there too, but I got rid of mostly a lot of them, which is like a big milestone for me because I don't get rid of my stuffed animals, so ignore everything on the floor here. I have this basket, which I'm probably going to get rid of and find another basket for my stuffed animals, and then I have more stuffed animals under this chair. And then this is my old desk. The only thing we did was remove the top part of it. Well, all my furniture got painted, so we just changed the knobs out of all of them and we painted them all white. This is just my art supply little thing where I just keep all my arts and crafts because I do love drawing. I haven't had a chance to because college. And then this is my hair one, and then in the bottom is just all my brushes, my straighteners, and my curlers. Actually, all my shoes are downstairs. These are just 3 pairs. This one I just got with my friend. It's from Aldo. I want to wear them for Christmas because I think that they're really cute. And then I have these little flip-flops, and then I have these rainbow shoes, which I don't really wear a lot. So then above that, I have this mirror, which is just a mirror from Amazon we almost got rid of, but we couldn't return it, so we decided to keep it. This one's a lot better because it's just a big full-length mirror. We thought it would be like that size. What I like about it is that when you open it, All my jewelry is over here, and it has like a little key in case I wanted to lock it, which I definitely will never do. But I have my purses. These are just mostly the long little small ones. I used to put my bathrobes here and it just looked like a mess. Maybe I'll put this in my attic or something, and this is just my beanies, my winter hats. This is just the same dresser I had, you know, same little thing. And then this one's right next to the dresser. It's just my vanity that I am obsessed with. I live here. It's my favorite part of my room. Yeah, I usually should do my homework over there, but like, it's just, this chair is so comfy. I have this little thing that I have to start organizing and putting my stuff in. This thing I've had since I was little, and it's actually a radio, and I almost gave it away. So 2000s, and it actually plays music, and it plays it really loud. So I was like, why would I would just keep it here for decoration and just use it when I'm doing my makeup. My closet's over here. My little twin bed that I decided I wanted to keep. I didn't want to get a bigger bed just because I know that it would take up more room, and I'm looking to find like a big carpet here to put. I need to find bed sheets, which I will do in my next video. Next to these guys, I have this. Just keep like all my notebooks and everything over here. And my poetry books. I lit up this little candle that my mom keeps yelling at me because I have it here. But I usually used to light candles and she would like rip them out, and she hasn't ripped this one out yet. She kind of just like yells at me for it. But it smells really good. It's cinnamon, vanilla, and clove. So I decided to keep it. And I have this picture of me and my best friend. And then I have my galaxy projector, and then some water because I drink a lot of water, and my glasses for when I wake up in the morning. Last but not least is this section of my room. So these curtains, like I said, they block out the light. I usually wake up when when the light shines through because I can't sleep with light. Like I wake up when there's like the slightest bit of light, I wake up. I used to like sleep with like a sleeping mask. I don't do that anymore because I just sleep in the pitch black dark. I don't wake up in the mornings. I wake up really late, like 1 o'clock. This blocks out all the daylight, again coming from this end, so I don't wake up. So I'm kind of sometimes I go like this in order if I have to like wake up really early one day. But I also have to get them cut because they're really long. We added this over here because that wasn't there before. It was just a nice little touch. It's just a cute little box. Over here I have to get like a piece of furniture for this, but it's just basically a plastic container with like my hoodies, my pants, everything. And then next to it, which I think I honestly kind of want to get rid of this out of my room, it's just like a little clothing rack, but obviously it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing because I don't have room for my clothes. These are some clothes I'm going to show in my what I got for Christmas video because basically it was my Christmas present, so I'm saving that there. And then I just have all of my purses, my backpacks, and everything here. And yeah, that's basically it. That's my whole room for you guys. I just gotta do some sweeping and cleaning, redesigning. I just have so many ideas for my room, but it's hard because like I kind of want to go for like a more unique look. I love all the like the TikTok room decorations and everything, but like I just I don't know what kind of look I'm looking for in my room. I definitely do want some sort of like LED lights, but I kind of just want to branch into something that's not so trendy and something on the other half that I would really like and enjoy for a long period of time. It is hard to look for decorations too. Everything's closed and like Corona, so I can't really go shop. I usually just look on my computer online and see if there's anything I really like, you know? But this is my room for you guys. I'm obsessed with my room. I know it's really basic, and I just think it was just a big transformation since my old room. It's more for my age, and it's a lot better than the whole fairies and rainbows and everything everywhere. Other than that, I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very, very soon. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and follow my Instagram. I post there a lot now. I wanted to post this outfit actually. Thanks, guys.